Alright, so here's how it's down from the top. Now I'm going to slide the laptop under the car so you can hear it from the bottom. It's a little messy under here.